The next hour and a half or so, we're going to be writing some essential questions. So we're going to be focusing on the questions that are up on the screen. We're really going to look at how can we use questions to frame our units. Then we're also going to look at what tips or strategies can help us write those questions. And then we'll also go into how could I revise a question to make it a better question. So we're going to get started first, though. We're going to talk about learning goals. So I know that with the work that you've been doing in your school district, I know you've been doing the I can statements, and you've been looking at the depths of knowledge. And what we're going to do is take some time and look at how a learning goal might actually, how it does connect to an essential question. And so that when you're writing your essential questions, it's important to know where you're going with it. So in your book on page 84, there's a chart. And it's going to talk about 3 types of learning goals. So we have acquisition, meaning making, and transfer. And I'm going to give you time in your groups to look at those 3 types of learning goals. And then think to yourself and talk in your group about these 2 questions. So one is, which of the 3 types, maybe there's more than one, maybe you don't see any connections, maybe you see lots of connections, would be the best learning goal to have to be able to get achieved through an essential question. So what types of learning goals would help, or essential questions could help you get to? The other question would be, how might a learning goal be connected to the essential question? So you already have learning goals. How could you then connect to questions? So I'll let you look through that chart, and I'll give you about 5 minutes, and then we'll do some share out.